If you've ever felt unsure about your team's workload or whether your agency has enough capacity for a new project, today's tutorial is going to clear things up for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get crystal clear visibility into your team's workload using ClickUp, so you can manage assignments and deadlines with confidence. Let's jump right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to open up your ClickUp workspace. This is essentially your home base, the central hub where all of your agency's projects, tasks, and team details live. If you're already logged in, you'll likely land here right away. If not, just head over to ClickUp.com, sign in, and you'll see your dashboard. Think of your workspace as your digital office. It's where all the magic happens and where you keep your finger on the pulse of everything that's going on. Next, take a look at the list of projects in your workspace. Choose the one you want to analyze for workload and capacity. Don't worry if you're juggling several clients or campaigns. ClickUp organizes everything so you won't get lost. Selecting the right project is important because workload management isn't just about seeing who's busy, but zeroing in on which team members are working on what, and for which client. For example, if you're prepping for an upcoming campaign and you're not sure whether your design team can handle a last-minute request, picking the right project will let you see exactly where everyone stands. Just click into the project and you're ready for the next step. Now pause for a moment and look at the top of your project view. You'll see several tabs like List, Board, Calendar, and among them there's a tab called View. Click on View and then from the available options select Workload. This is where the real power of ClickUp comes into play. The Workload View gives you a beautiful, easy-to-read chart that displays each team member's assignments by day, along with the estimated effort and deadlines. It's sort of like looking at a resource map that updates in real time. It shows you exactly who's overloaded, who has capacity, and who might benefit from a little help so no one gets burned out or left behind. If it's your first time in the Workload View, take a breath. A lot of information pops up at once, but don't let it overwhelm you. Each bar or segment represents a team member's active tasks, color-coded for clarity. You can click on any name to see more details or hover over deadlines to check what's coming up soon. This visibility is crucial because it helps you make smart decisions, like reassigning a task to balance work more evenly, spotting gaps where you can take on new projects, or even just reassuring yourself that everything is under control. In the real world, agencies often struggle with keeping teams at the right level of busy without risking burnout, and this view in ClickUp is designed to make that challenge much simpler. And honestly, that's all there is to it. By following those steps, heading to your workspace, picking your project, and switching to the workload view, you unlock a powerful tool for managing your team's time and resources. Don't worry if it feels unfamiliar at first. The more you use it, the more intuitive it will become. You'll find that you can spot bottlenecks, prevent overloads, and confidently communicate both progress and capacity to your clients or managers. So if this helped you get a better handle on your agency's workload, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific use case you want me to cover next. And of course, if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button and make sure you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.